This is amazing. You've explored something fully, something that you might have been wondering, what if? You've processed it out, and now you have the option to set it aside and begin to dream about something else. Something that you answer yes to for both questions. How much fun will that be? So, no, your work isn't over. What you get to do now is head back to your I Will Free My Dreams page, right? Circle something new, imagine it in detail, process how you got there, and question it. Do not rush yourself through this process. You have your whole life ahead of you. You are so worth doing this work. You will learn a ton about yourself, my empty nest friend. Heck, you might even discover that you're perfectly happy where you are today. Or you may discover that the best version of you haven't met yet. Doesn't that sound amazing? I mean, it is, because this work is all you. You made it this far, and you have the option to walk away now or to finish it out. It is a choice. The choice is yours. Future you is waiting to see what you will do. Nothing changes if you make no changes. You have access to this program indefinitely, so use it as many times as you need to. You've totally got this. Do this for you because you are worth it. Claim future you.